If you're looking for an advanced course in Wireshark, then this course is not for you. The reason why I say that is because this is a basic course. This is a basic course of how Wireshark works and how we can start using it to learn other topics. You see, I teach networking and cybersecurity, and I wanted a quick course for my students that they could learn about Wireshark and get proficient in Wireshark, so then they can get into these other courses and really learn the content of these other courses. So this course is designed to quickly identify the key points to Wireshark and get proficient in Wireshark. My name is Andrew Grimes, owner of TechKnowSurge, and I'll be your techno DJ serving up techno content just for you. We're going to nail down the basics of Wireshark so we can use it and be proficient in learning other topics. To really understand Wireshark, we do have to have some basic understanding of how computers communicate. So when we kick this off, we're going to talk about what is Wireshark, but we're also going to get a little bit into how computers communicate and how devices communicate across the network. Then we're going to get into the OSI model layers and how it applies to Wireshark. Because once again, to understand Wireshark, we need to know a little bit about OSI model layers and vice versa. Once we understand Wireshark, we can better understand OSI model layers. Then we're going to get into the actual work of downloading and installing Wireshark, how to navigate it, how to use features such as sorting and filtering, and some other basic functions to get you up and running. This course is really designed for my students who want to learn more about networking and cybersecurity. However, this is really designed for anybody that wants to learn the basics around Wireshark. You don't need to have any prior knowledge to get into this course and understand it. We're going to start from the ground level. This is a short course, so sign up now and get started and start learning more about Wireshark so you can get proficient in using it.